of this 12 classes. I don't know. Afridi is there? Afridi?
Yes, ma'am.
Afridi, you have taken 5 days leave, Afridi. Don't
Uh,
take more leave. Try to attend the class regularly. Solve
yes, ma'am.
your network issue. Okay. I think we
Sure.
people are not asking you to during the classes. You are not switch on your video and all. So
Ma'am,
I don't
actually,
know.
we are in rural area, ma'am. So
It's very difficult, man.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, you are putting some 1 GB and all. What you do first, you utilize for the class, then you use your own purpose. Are you clear? And some people are wasted for seeing some movies and all, and time wasting in Facebook, and then for attending their classes and all, their mobile data have gone. So
No,
people
ma'am. Not
not like you. I'm not.
not about balance, ma'am.
Hmm, it's a network issue.
Yes.
Okay, I'm telling there's a general advice, not for you. It's a
Okay.
general advice. Okay, and Rahul Singh is there. Rahul Singh, Rahul Singh, are you present today, man? Rahul, yeah, Rahul Singh. 6 days leave you have taken, ma. Totally 12 days, na. 6 days you have taken. So you have attended only 50% of this class. Did you know the name of the subject, man? Rahul Singh. Rahul, can you able to hear my voice? You're searching for the name of the subject. Rahul. Actually, yesterday we have seen one meme. In the during classes, we ask you to shut your mouth, and now in the online classes, we ask you to people to please kindly talk. Huh? Why you can't? You have a guts to in the classes. If all the people will talk to your friend each other, and now in online mode, if any question I have asked, you people are not opening your mouth and talking. I don't know why. Sai Mani Teja, Divahar, and all 5 days they can leave. Okay, Vanmati, you too, ma. Please, Vanmati, Deepa, yes, kindly give the attention. Okay, please inform to your friends. Still now, only 79 students are only in online. So out of 79, actually you have to remove me. So totally 78. In 78, 18 students were leave. See, 18 students have taken leave now. How we can? You put your mic in mute, ma. So this is my kind advice. People should not take any leave. Are you clear, ma? Because this is the warning for you. You can't do at the end. So people be sure. And today also I have seen none of them have posted your assignment. Saranya, are you here, ma? Saranya, are you there?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Why? Have you tried to post your assignment?
Yes, ma'am, but I couldn't attend assignment, ma'am.
I told you to send the assignment to me. Did you send them?
Ma'am, I don't have
What?
your number, ma'am.
Triple 2070 to 21 batch you are there. You are in that batch, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
There you can find my number. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Only some of them are there. My number is there. So what you do, you just send to me because why I am asking to you especially now. In other subject they are uploading. So in my subject any difficulty I don't know because I in my settings I allowed the students to submit that assignment. I don't know why it's not submitting. So that's why I asking. See, people don't take till the end of the day. So you have to try to submit the assignment nearby. Okay. So now we will continue the same lab program. It is needed for your lab. First is swap a byte. Actually, yesterday we have discussed some simple program. 8-bit addition, 8-bit subtraction, 8-bit division, 8-bit multiplication, 16-bit addition, 16-bit multiplication, and all we have seen. And today we are going to discuss about some more programs, and I decided to show you one real time how we are writing the program, okay, in washing machine control. So I just want to show you that. So in real time, how they are applying the code and how they are writing the program. So people listen, these programs mandatorily you want to do it in the lab. So I think yesterday we have discussed the programs, all programs what I am discussing today also uh, are related to lab programs only. Okay, swap a byte. Okay, swap a byte in sense means we all know the swap command is mainly used to swap a byte. So swap command we all know why, where we are using the swap command ma. In logical instructions we will use this swap command. So in the swap command means lower nibble and upper nibble will be swapped. So move a comma hash 72. So hash is for what ma? Immediate addressing mode. So people listen, today at the end of our session we have a online Kahoot quiz is there. In the online Kahoot quiz, only thing is I will observe top 5 because I have to compliment them, but I am going to take bottom 5 also. Bottom 5 not depend upon the marks, only depend upon the corrected, incorrect, and as well as so I'm going to observe who cannot able to answer maximum correction, maximum corrected answers. I'm going to take that bottom 5 and I'm going to ask why you people were lagging. So please listen. This session is I am very very helpful, which I am going to take the questions for the quiz. I am giving some important hints throughout this lecture. So from that only you are going to attend the quiz. So people listen well. Okay. So here move a comma hash 72. So what is my accumulator value ma? 72. So if I want to libel, this is 8-bit data. So 4-bit data are 4, 7 upper nibble and 2 lower bit data, lower nibble. So swap A means automatically 72 will become what ma? 27. Where the 27 will be stored? This is a logical instruction. So after my logical operation, my accumulator only store this result. So what is my accumulator value? 27. That accumulator should push the value to where ma? Port 1. Move P1 comma A. We all know destination register comma source register. So I have to move my accumulator to P1. Okay, here S jump here. You all know here S jump here. Short jump. Short jump means what? How many memory location it will search ma? Yesterday I have taught you short jump, long jump, absolute jump. Depends upon the memory locations. I think not yesterday, the day before yesterday.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me ma.
short jump 256 bytes, ma'am.
Very good.
Long jump
Ah,
64 kilobytes, ma'am.
very good. A jump.
And absolute jump வந்து 2 kilobytes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Very good ma. Who have answered? Because
Bhavana, ma'am.
Bhavana. Very good, Bhavana. So that is the thing. So here is jump here. That is nothing but the particular program we have to search only, or to terminate also. The particular loop will be terminated here. It always jumps because here my program ends, or I can use the statement end. Okay. So I'm moving my accumulator content to port 1. So what is my port 1 ma? After swapping 72 will become 27. You see here the bits is there. I told you whenever my bit is tick means that is 1. If there is no in that particular bit, that value is 0. So 27 na 0 0 1 0. What is the value for 7? 0 1 1 1. Are you clear? So in Kale compiler only we are going to use. So I will give you one day I will take a trial for this Kale compiler, and we will discuss. So before that I want to discuss the program, because programming side definitely we have a lab session is there. So at that time we will see, but anyway I will demonstrate you how we were getting the output, how we have to execute. One day we will take for the Kale compiler alone, because it's a open source software. So you people can try that programs in that, because the second unit exclusively about the instruction set and addressing modes apart from that programming only. So only this is the three important divisions. Programming, simple programming will be there, delay programming will be there, timer programming, serial, that are will be there. But when you universally see, it will be the programming. Okay. So now to perform the arithmetic operations and store the results on the stack. Okay. Okay, we all know the stack is a 8-bit register only. So it's always take the internal RAM and it will store. That means what? I can take from 00 to FF. Okay, move SP. SP stands for what, ma? SP stands for what? Anyone can answer? SP is what? Which
Stack
register?
pointer, ma'am.
Very good. Stack pointer. SP is nothing but stack pointer. So I'm loading my stack pointer with 5F. Okay. So actually this program is, sorry. So move SP comma hash 5F. Okay, then I'm just adding 25 and 12, and I want to store it in the stack. So we all know move R2 comma hash. Hash for what, ma? Immediate addressing mode. So what is my R2 value? R2 equal to 25. Then you see R1 hash 12. Then what is R1 value? R1 is also 12. So move A comma R1. I'm just moving because if I want to perform any addition, you may ask, ma'am, I can directly put move A comma hash 12. Yeah, we can put. Actually, I'm explaining the logic of the program. That's it. Okay. So I'm moving my R1 value to accumulator, or else you can directly put move A comma hash 12. Okay. Then add A comma R2. I have to add my accumulator plus register value. So you just see accumulator is what, ma? 12. And R2 register is what? 25. So I'm adding A plus R2. So 12 plus 25, the value will be what, ma? 37. So 37 will hold by accumulator. Then what I have to do, I have to move my accumulator to R3. R3 means R3 register I am moving. So what is my value? A to R3 means now my R3 value will become 37. So you just see push 3. We all know we have a two commands to get the stack, or to load in stack, or to retrieve from the stack. So to load into the stack, we always use the command push. Okay, if I want to retrieve from the stack, it will be always a pop instruction. So push and pop are related to stack instruction only. It's not a branching instruction. You all understand, it won't comes under call, or it won't comes under any jump instruction. Push and pop is exclusively, that instruction is mainly used to push the content into the stack and to retrieve the content from the stack. Okay, if I put push 3, normally when you put in other 808 fendal, I have to push the register content. If I put push A, accumulator to stack pointer. If I put push 3 means R3 register content should move to stack pointer. We all know the stack pointer will increment and push the content. Okay, so increment now after 5F, what is my value, ma? 60. So you just see here, this is my address. So in that, this is my 5F. What is the next value, ma? 60. You all understand? This is what? 61. This is 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Still it will goes. So the memory will take the consecutive memory location. So here it will be increment and it will store. The push and pop, what we studied, the same procedure only. Push will increment and store the result. Pop will decrement and retrieve the result. So the same way, push 3 means the R3 content will pushed into stack pointer. Here stack pointer is my 8-bit register. So it is incremented by 1 byte now. 5F will become 60. So in the 60th location, I am loading my 37. Are you clear? So this is the thing to perform arithmetic operation and store the result on the stack. Okay, this is also one of our lab program. And the next consecutively we will see the logical programs. Okay, actually I have taken only from our lab manual only. Okay, because it's easy for you while doing the lab. Complement the accumulator 20 times. Yesterday I told you one thing, there will be an inner loop will be there, outer loop will be there. How much time I have to execute it, I have to multiply the value. Okay, so first what I'm doing, I am moving accumulator hash 0FF. That means what? My accumulator value is FF. Okay, and how many to complement the accumulator, which instruction is used, ma? Please, anyone tell? To complement the accumulator, which instruction is used? To complement the accumulator?
CMPA.
CLP.
CMPA, ma'am.
CMP. No compare instruction in 8085, ma. Complementing. Complementing means what? 1 will become 0, 0 will be CPL. See, listen here, one instruction is there. CPLA. CPLA means entire bit will be complemented. Accumulator. What is my accumulator value? FF. If FF is complemented, now what is my accumulator value, ma? Tell me. If I put accumulator as FF, if I am complementing, what is my accumulator value? FF is complemented now. What is my accumulator value? Please, anyone tell. If accumulator is complemented, na, what will be the Bharat? Register number 14, Bharat. Bharat? Bharat went somewhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me, if I put CPL, complement A, that means complementing the accumulator. My accumulator is FF. After complementing, what is my accumulator value? Complementing means what? 1 will become 0, 0 will become 1. A is FF, man.
0, ma'am.
0, 0. That's it. Very good. So accumulator value will become 0, 0. So okay, because I am loading FF. Okay. Now you mute your mic, Bharat. If I am
Okay,
to
ma'am.
do 20 times, you just see my inner loop is 2, my outer loop is 10. You may ask, ma'am, shall I put 10 2 here? Shall I put 10 here? Both are same only. Can you understand or not? But 10 into 2, how much time? 20 times it will be complemented. Okay. So 20 times it will be complemented. Actually, you may ask, ma'am, it's a decimal hexa. We have put 10. 10 into 2, 20 times. So you just see move R3, comma hash 10. R3 is 10. R2 is 2. CPLA. CPLA means what? Complement A. So complement A means A is FF. After complementing, A will become what, ma? 0, 0. Now I have to move my accumulator value to which port, ma? Port 2. So first I'm loading my port 2 with first my value will become 0, 0. After execution, that will become 0, 0. DJNZ. DJNZ means what? Yesterday I told you, very important instruction. DJNZ. Yeah. Someone is
Decrement jump no 0.
yeah, very good, ma. I think a lot of disturbance in your mic. Decrement jump on no 0. So I have to decrement my R2 value. Take some time to mute. Yeah, whose mic? Yeah, have you muted? Okay. So DJN is a decrement jump no 0. So now R2 is 2. So R2 again decremented now 1. So once again I have to complement. So first you just see, first I am moving my accumulator content, it will become 0, 0. After complementing, 0, 0 will become FF. So what happened? Just toggling. It will toggle between FF to 0, 0, 0, 0 to FF. That will both will happen. But before execution, FF. But after execution, first time it will be 0, 0. But even complementing, what happened? This always toggle. You see 0, 0 na, none of the bit is tick. FF now you have seen all the 8 bits are tick. So tick means what? The particular bit refers to 1. Okay. Then this loop will be. Then DJN is a decrement jump on no 0. So 9, 8, 7. So totally 10 into 2, how many times ma? 20 times this will be complemented. So this is also one of our lab program to complement the accumulator 20 times. You have seen this, all our program, it's not a more lines will be there. Only some 4 or 5 lines only, and you can easily understand. Okay. The next one is to check the condition of port 2.3. If true, send a high to low transition in port 1.5. Actually, this program mainly how used now. Port 2.3, we will connect one switch. Port 1.5, we will connect one LED. So whenever the switch is closed, the LED will glow. Whenever the switch is open, the LED will not glow. The same process, but here we are checking through that. You just see here um, J and P. J and P means what ma? Jump on no bit. P 2.3, port 2.3. You all understand all Boolean instructions will be related to bit only. If I put set B P means the instruction is wrong. Set B A means the instruction is wrong. Why ma? I have to set the bit of port. I have to set the bit of accumulator. So we all know the bit addressable registers or port. We can't use this for normal bank registers. We can use it for this only, especially for the ports, or we can use it for the accumulator only. So if I put set BA, the instruction is invalid. If I put set BA point 2, the instruction is valid. That means I have to set the particular bit. Fifth bit means you just see there. Fifth bit means you can understand. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And this is 6, this is 7. Always it will count from D0 to D7. So always remember port 1.5 now don't count from 1, 2, 3, 4. It always count from D0. So D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5. This is D5th bit. Similarly, port 2.3. 2.3 means what ma? That is, we have to see that is a D3 bit. D3 bit means what? D0, D1, D2, D3. Don't assume it is a third bit. It is a D3 bit. P1.5, it is D5th bit. So you have to take the value from E0. That will be your most LSB value. That is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 8 bits. Okay. So J and B port 2.3. I have to check the port of 2.3. Okay. So J and B port 2.3. What I have to do? First, I have there is nothing, no values there. Before executing, there is no value. So that particular instruction will be keep on jumping. Next, what I have to do? I have to put a tick on this particular bit. If I put the tick on the particular bit, what it will do? It will set the 5th bit of port and then it will clear the bit. Can you understand or not? So the same way you have to understand 2.3 is no, there is no value now. The particular instruction will not go to the next line. If the bit is 1 now, what it will do? I have to remove the bit, then only I can understand. So automatically what happened? It will set the 5th bit of port 1, not 5th bit, D5th bit, the way you have to say. It will set the D5th bit of port 1 and it will clear. It is similar to that if I have connected one switch in port 2.3 and another 1.5, if I connected LED, I can see. Okay, this is a logical program to understand how the bit is working. Actually, when I executing, you can understand. Okay, so the next one is to toggle all the bits every 200 millisecond. Assume 12 megahertz as a crystal frequency. I have to toggle all the bits. Okay, I have to toggle all the bits of port 1. Toggle all the bits of port 1 now. What they have done yesterday. I have told you one example I have taken. Accumulator is 55. 55 means what is the value ma? 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is my 55. Okay, toggling. Toggling means again what is the instruction we have to use ma? CPLA. CPLA means complement all the bit of the accumulator. So complementing na, what will the value ma? 1, 0, 0, sorry, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So if 5 is complemented, na, the value will become A. 55 is complemented, na, the value will become AA. Can you understand? So just that we have written on a delay program. Delay program, I will explain you how to calculate the millisecond using the program. This is the way you just see when I am loading this value. Okay, you all understand move a comma hash 55. What is my value of accumulator ma? 55. Okay, then what I am doing? I am moving my accumulator to port 1. So what is my port 1 value? 55. A call delay. A call means what? Now only Bhavna said A call means what? It will take only 2 KB memory location to check the delay program. You understand? This is till this will be the main program, and this will be the subroutine program. I am telling this is called as a subroutine program or time delay program, whatever the word I can use. But you understand, to call from main program to subroutine program, what is the instruction I have to use? Call. If I'm you see, normally we use a call only because l call is for 64 KB. Our KL programmer maximum capacity it can use only 2 KB memory only. So we all use a call, yes jump, this only. We are not going to use l call, l jump and all. Okay, so a call delay, because we are going to use only minimum memory. Okay, a call delay. A call delay means it will go to that delay. In that delay, there is no logic in the program. I have to load my R5 value to one value, R4 to one value, R3 to one value. So DJNZ, DJNZ, DJNZ. What is DJNZ? Ma? Decrement jump on no zero R3. I have to execute. Then decrement jump on no zero R4. I have to execute. Then decrement jump on no zero R5. I have to execute. So you understand, delay program we don't have any logic. I have to load a register with one value, and then I have to keep on decrement. I have to execute that loop. Can you understand? Okay. After this, I have to use which instruction, mom? Return. In return, we have a two instruction: RET, RETI. RETI only used it for interrupt related program. Normally, we will use only RET, return instruction. So return instruction means what? Subroutine to main. So subroutine to main means automatically it will go to the main program. What is my main program again? Move a comma 55. Again I have to move AP1. Again I have to delay and complement A. So what happened now? It will toggle between 55 and A. That means all the bits you are seeing 55 means 0101, 0101. AA means what? 1010, 1010. So almost 8 bits are toggling. So you all know 200 millisecond means it's not like it will happen. Okay, so it will keep on toggling. So you can see that each and every bit will be toggling. When all the whole program when you executed, the entire bit will be toggled. It will be switched from each and every bit. So this is the program. You all understand? Complement A. Sorry, A call means main to subroutine. Return means what? Subroutine to main program. And then what is the thing? Yes jump. Yes jump means what? Once again it will come to here. So I have taken this yes jump program. My program space is within 256 because this is one location, this is another location. Now it will be within the why I am not putting a jump, because I am taking this memory location is some fourth some value a move a comma hash 55 some memory location. They say it has to check only 256 locations only. So this is a 2 byte, this is single byte, this is a 3 byte location, this is 1 byte. So almost it will take some 10 to 5 memory locations only. So I am using sjump. Why ma? Sjump will check only 256 memory location. Okay, and a call will check 2k memory location, and l call will check how many memory location? 64 KB memory location. Okay, people, today I have explained arithmetic and logical program for you. Okay, and then I want to explain one real-time example in washing machine control. Actually, yesterday and today I have explained. You may think, ma'am, this is only for lab. They won't ask in theory. Don't think that. One thing we have almost completed. Not another 2 to 3 days we will complete the second unit. You all know, till now till today I have taken nearly 13 classes. How many classes for each and unit? Now 9. So 18 classes. So almost we will complete within 4 or 3 or 4 we'll complete the second unit. On one particular day I will share our university question paper. You just see how they will ask the questions and all. Are you clear? Okay. Now real-time example, and you all know we got our convocation dates. Did anyone know, ma? Anyone know? Your final year batch, they are going to receive the online convocation. You all
Yes,
know?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, you all know, even the pandemic situation, January itself we conducted the exams for final years. So before they have written all their final year papers, that is 8 semester paper. And one more thing, during May, even March, we waited, we checked all their reports, and all the their their entire project schedule are over. Only thing is they have to attend their online Viva alone. So Viva and all, we don't have a situation to interact with the students. So what we did, we have conducted the online Viva. Whether you have a contact with your final year, they will tell. We have online Viva on May, I think so. So May they have completed the online Viva, and within 1 week they put up the results for final years. Whoever cleared till 8th semester, they have got their course completion certificates, and it denotes that they have completed all their 8 semesters. And now we have arranged for the online convocation. One of our final year visited is uh, previously, and he got placed in CTS, and he said that, ma'am, I am working from home. So by seeing that, they completed everything. So I've seen the messages. Godwin sir is giving some messages, and we are giving some messages. Please give priority to that. Okay, every time all the arrear students will not get passed. It will happen once in a while. That has happened. So it will take. It won't happen. It will take how much time, we don't know. So you all understand the situation, and please try to, this semester I'm saying 4 papers only you have now. Please complete the assignment, please complete the quiz, please attend the CAE. This is for your benefits only. So the 50 marks will be very sure. Within staying in your home, you are getting your marks, you are attending the classes. Okay, it is happening universal all over the world. But I am saying, you people, you are in a final years. Okay, so what condition they are going to announce, how they are conducting the exam and all, we don't know. But you understand that, please give a priority to your studies, then give priority to the other works. Are you clear and all? Okay, now I will tell you one real time example. It will take another some 10 minutes, then we will attend the Kagoth quiz. Okay, I told you this time top 5 and bottom 5. So try to be in top 5, and don't be in bottom 5. But anyway, some, even that bottom 5 was very worst. I have to announce why. I have to ask the reason individually. Yes, clear? Okay. Now, real-time example, washing machine control using 8051. Actually, 80 Atmal we will use in Kail compiler. That's why I put 80. Okay, actually. This is the thing. I think by seeing this, it's very, very, very difficult. I will move on to the diagram directly. Okay. You just see, this is my microcontroller chip. Inside the microcontroller chip only, I will embed my program. Okay, this is my 18 and 19. I will connect my external oscillator pin. Okay, so here, this washing machine, one real time I have put it that. So you just see, power on. Power on is indicated by one LED. Okay, and inlet valve is also indicated by LED. And washing. Washing, I have connected one small motor, and drain valve is also indicated by LED to understand the program. So this is a 60 second program. 60-second program now. What happened now? The power on LED will on throughout the 60 second. Inlet valve will take some 15 seconds to on. That means during that time, it will get the water. Okay, that is inlet valve. Okay, after 15 seconds, the valve get closed. So to indicate that this inlet valve will become off. Then washing. The washing, the motor will wash for some 30 seconds. Okay, then after washing, what happened? I have connected one drain valve, so to exit all the waters. So this will on for 15 seconds. So this is for 15 seconds, this is for 30 seconds, and this is for 15 seconds. So totally how many seconds more? 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, what happened? This LED will off. That means washing is completed. That is indicated by, you see, first it will indicate power is on. That means what? This LED is on. After, this is nothing but LCD display to indicate what operation is going on. That, and the next one is, think. Okay. Then inlet valve will open. Just see, the inlet valve is on. So when inlet valve is open, how many seconds more? 50 seconds the inlet valve is open. Then after 50 seconds, washing will be continued for some 30 seconds. So at that time washing will glow. You just see, after washing I have to drain all the water. So drain valve will open for some 15 seconds. After drain valve is open, what happen now? My washing will be completed. The entire power will be off. So this is the indication by 1 minute of program, 1 minute of washing. Just you see, and one more in this diagram. One thing is, I'm connecting my LED. I'm connecting my watting motor. I connecting my LCD. I didn't need any interfacing chip. I'm directly connecting with port 0 point with one LLA. You may ask, ma'am, you can connect anywhere. But whatever you are wherever you are connecting, that you have to specify correctly in the program. That is very, very important. See, you are seeing LCD, I have connected D0 to D7. The pin is there. I have connected to the port 1 all the lines. In the port 1 line, we have a reading and read, write, and enable pin is there. And this is the supply pin. You all know the arrow mark indicates supply. So you have to understand this is the process is happening. The program is, I think, so very easy for you. Okay, you just see power LED. Bit P0.0, I have connected power LED. I think. Hmm. So here you have seen that port 0.0, I have collected my power LED. Inlet valve, again where I have connected port 0.1. Drain LED, where I connected drain LED bit 3.0. Can you understand or not? Then motor, we all know motor will rotate for 30 seconds, I told now. So motor will rotate. You all know the direction of washing should be in a clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. So my motor also will rotate in clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. So it will take some 15 seconds to for clockwise rotation and another 15 seconds for anti-clockwise rotation. So you have seen port 2.0 and 2.1, I have connected directly my motor. Okay, and then you have understand this. This is I have put. Then I have created a delay, a call delay. You all know absolute call. Absolute call means what? Within 2K only I have written all my program. So a call means what? Main program to subroutine program. Okay, washing delay, drain valve and switch off. This is the delay program I have written. Now set B power LED. Set B power LED means what? Set B P0.0. You all understand the set B is means it is only for the single bit instruction. So if I put set B port 0 means it is the instruction is not a valid instruction. So set B P0.0. Now set the bit of port 0.0. Okay, so open the inlet valve for water. What I have written, nothing in the program. You just see move R3. R3 is nothing but for to create the time delay only. 15 second only I am creating. So just to create the time delay only I have written. So first I have to switch on the LED. Set B inlet LED. Inlet LED means where what I have given in inlet LED port 0.1. To understand only I have used the code like here. Set B inlet LED. Inlet LED means set B P 0.1. How much time it will rotate on? A call delay. If it has to go to the delay program. Delay program will take how much second? 15 seconds. So till 15 seconds, what it will do? It will load one register value and it will decrement the register value and the loop will keep on condition. So it will take for some 15 seconds. Then CLR. CLR means what? Clear inlet LED. Clear inlet that will off. Over. Then washing. Washing we all know to rotate the motor in clockwise and anti-clockwise. So to rotate motor NVE, motor that means positive and negative terminal only I have given the name. So port 2.0, port 2.1 only I have connected the two terminals of the motor. So to rotate the motor in clockwise and anti-clockwise, I have to set and clear. That means it will only rotate in clockwise direction. Then after calling delay 15 seconds, Once again it will come to here only. What I have to give? Clear and set. That means what? Plus minus minus plus. So motor will rotate in clockwise and anti-clockwise. RET means what ma? Return. Why we are used the return ma? After calling means what? It will go to the delay program and it will execute and it will come back to the main program. Actually should not put the return here because the return should be always used in conjunction in the that instruction only. Yeah. Where I have to use my return instruction, I have to use only in my delay program only. Here I should not put delay. Okay. And same. I have to remove the delay. Delay you should not put in the main program. Only call I have to use. Okay. Now here you just see drain. In drain valve you have seen move R3 comma hash. Okay, drain valve, how much time it will have? Set the LED bar for drain LED open, and then a call delay, then clear. Set for set, then I have to call the delay program, then I have to clear. Then power off. Power off means what? Clear power LED. Power LED where I connected ma? Port 0.0. Clear power LED means what? Entire my operation will become 0. So this is my delay program. You have seen that in the delay program what I have written. Just loading, then decrement jump on no 0. This time calculation I will take one class and I will explain how the time calculations and all we are doing. Actually this is there. I will explain how to calculate the time delay. 1 second or 2 second or millisecond, how we have to calculate the time delay program. I think this is the way they will do the coding for the microcontroller. Actually this is one real-time coding and we have done. Actually you people remember this is the software mainly we use for the Proteus. In Proteus is the software real-time. So whenever we say to the word, we always we expect a simulation. So here whether the LED is glowing, motor is rotating, everything we can see. And some of the students in practical final year project, what they will do, they will always use this type of simulation in their end. So at that time it's very important. You may ask, ma'am, this particular Kale software, actually Kale software we will write all the codings. Then what we will do, using assembler we will convert all the codings into hexadecimal code, and we will convert into hexadecimal code. And then what we will do, we will put all our simulation in Proteus software. In Proteus software we have the option to embed the program inside that. Here we won't write the program, we will embed the coding only, machine level coding. After that, while executing the Proteus, you can understand this kind of simulation will be there. So one thing in the next week I try to explain the Kale software with one simple example using the Proteus software. Are you clear, ma? At that time I think if I'm doing that if I'm doing that in system, I can't able to start my video, but I can explain it in my thing, in our system, college system itself. Okay, are you clear? Is any doubt on this, ma? Any doubt, students? I think today we have discussed some logical programs. You all understand all these programs are very simple. In some of your university question paper, they are asking programming now. If you are having a programming skill, try to write the program. If you write the program, always start write algorithm. Then you have to write the program and give some sample output. You will get some full marks. But at the same time, if you write the theory, sometimes the mark will be get reduced. That is the advantage of writing program in the exams. Are you clear, ma'am? Okay, now I will give you the Kahoot pin for you. So people, what do? Go to the Kahoot, and you know today I'm not going to check your marks. Today how many correct and how many incorrect only I'm going to focus. So because you all know the Kahoot is based on the time scale only, it is allocating the mark, not depending on the correction. If you immediately give the answer, you get some 970. You take some if you take some time. At the end of the timer, you're giving the correct answers. Na, it is reducing the mark. So it's the mark is depends on time scale. So people try to understand. You take some time. Here this time, what I did, I allocated nearly 30 seconds for each and every question. By answering, you again come back to here. Are you clear? Because I'm taking the attendance. You just attend, and you people try to come back. Okay. Shall I give the Kagot pin for you? I think I didn't give. People take the Kagot pin, ma. It is valid till 1 o'clock only. 057 44. I think the pin it's visible for you. Please see the screen, ma. Students, please see the screen. Put your game pin and attend the quiz. This is the quiz. I have to test your individuality. That's why I have given the 2 quizzes in online itself. I didn't. If I give some more time for you, you will discuss and I will put the answer and will get the full marks. So I want to test your subject knowledge, and you all know this all from second unit only. Yes, students, have you got them?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Whether it's opening. Whether it is opening, ma?
No, ma'am.
Nova.
No,
Why,
ma'am.
ma?
It's loading, ma'am.
Started right.
Nice. Actually, because of your, I told you now, this time we am not going give the importance to the time, because some of the students having network issue. So the importance is giving to correct and non-correct only. Okay. So even Jagan, don't put open curly braces, ending curly brace and all. Start with 37140036. Why I am giving this advice for you now? Some staff will see the attendance. At that time, it will be not in the order. Are you clear, ma?
Ma'am, pin, ma'am. Game pin.
Game pin? You forgot, ah?
Ma'am, now only it came, ma'am.
Okay, okay, I will share it. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. One, two, three, 4, 5. Akash Singh is absent today, ma'am. Inform him. Today I have put in the attendance. Inform him. Alagu Priya 6 present. 7, 8. Anurag is absent today. Anurag, number 9.
Absent.
Inform him. He's also taken leave. That's why I put the slide for you, and I have informed your your counselor ma'am also, and your coordinator. It's all for you, man. You are attending from home. Please, even school students were not taking leave. Register number 16, Bhavani. Bhavani is present, na? Bhavana, I have told that. Bhavani is absent, ama. Bhavana. Bhavani absent. Huh? You don't know. 16 is not there. Okay, 17, 18, 19. Shiva Subramanian, what happened to him? He had taken some leave. Arun Rao. Arun Rao. Arun Rao is not present today. Net slow இருக்கடா.
கனெக்ட் பண்றதுக்கு.
ஆ?
ஆமாங்க மேம்.
உன் நம்பர் என்னடா?
எஸ் மேம். 42 மேம்.
சரி, நீ அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் கனெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோ.
மேம் 37 மேம்.
37 present only மா.
மேம் இல்ல லீவ் ஆயிட்டு அதுல போய்
சரிடா, நான் போட்டேன், பிரசன்ட் போட்டேன். 46 Kausalya. Kausalya is absent today. Tyagi is absent. I have told you, much leave have taken now. It's a problem for you.
மேம் ஹலோ
Yeah, ma. Tell me, ma.
மேம் ஸ்கூல்ல போகவே முடியல மேம்.
Yanda.
நெட் ரொம்ப ஸ்லோவா இருக்கு மேம் எனக்கு.
Your name, ma?
தீபா எஸ் மேம்.
Okay, leave it. Deepa, a question I will ask you individual to you today.
ஓகே மேம்.
Today Rahul Singh is also absent, ma. Why? '71 Sandhya. What happened to Sandhya? Why she is absent, ma, today?
Ma'am, she is going to hospital.
Okay, ma.
Ma'am, 46 present, ma'am.
46. Kausalya. எது quiz
Yes,
attend
ma'am.
பண்ண போனியாமா?
அது அட்டெண்ட் பண்ண போனா இது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா வெளியே வந்துருது மேம்.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah, ma.
ma'am, can I put my roll number, ma'am?
Why?
Ma'am, register number போட்டு quiz attend பண்ணும்போது கால் வந்துச்சு மேம். ஸோ வெளில வந்துட்டேன் மேம்.
Okay. Or else put your name. Name, ma?
அபிராமி மேம்.
Abhirami. Put your name.
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
Sneha
ma'am.
today. Sneha absent, ama? Sneha is absent today.
No, ma'am. She's present.
Then why her name is not showing in the list? Huh?
I think she have a network problem, ma'am.
Okay, ma. I will check in the back.
Ma'am, I have a problem in Kahoot, ma'am.
Kagut, what problem?
It will be hanging.
Hanging.
Yes, ma'am.
Your name, ma?
58 Nandini R.
50?
8.
So you have a separate question session tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Kagud, Nandini, and Deepa, yes, or have a network problem. Whoever having network problem, separate question session.
No, not.
Anyone completed and came back?
Yes, ma'am. I completed, ma'am. 86 register number. Sundarraj.
Sundaraj, super Sundaraj. What's your score? How many questions correct, ma?
I think 8 questions. I think so, ma'am.
I think. Any difficulty?
No, ma'am. It is
Then.
easy only.
Uh,
Time conceptions and
yeah.
it's a major
Actually,
thing.
only one question only I gave some 90 seconds. And that and all, I don't know how many of you will complete it.
Score is 8,000 something, ma'am.
Okay, good, ma.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Izad Ahmad is absent today. Izad? No, Izad is not there. Vijay Kumar is not there. I think we will go and see how much people are doing the quiz.
மேம் என் நேம் போட்டு நான் பண்ணலாமா மேம்?
யாருமா? சரண்யாவா?
மேம்.
சரி, போடுமா. Open for 3 minutes 21 seconds, 20 seconds only. I don't know, Saranya, whether you will can able to answer all the questions, because till 1 only it will be open. Think this time, what, ma?
25%, ma'am.
Yeah, 25%. I have today I will announce who are all absent. Okay. Register number 5, Akash Singh. Register number 9, Anurag, register number 16, Bhavani. Register number 24,
16% ma'am.
present ஆனா அப்படி கேட்டுட்டு இருந்தேன். ஓகே
16%.
16%. அப்ப the list இல்ல. Okay. 24 Arun Rao and 48 Tyagi, 67 Rahul Singh, 71 Sandhya, 89 Santosh Reddy, Izad Ahmed and Vijay Kumar.
Madam, 89%, ma'am.
89. Warm welcome, man. Santosh, this is the first class for you, Santosh.
Yes, ma'am.
Why, man? All your network issues are resolved.
Yes, ma'am.
Please attend the class regularly. I don't know. You got a thing, LMS. We have in LMS, we have
Yes, ma'am. I am
to
following
upload